Welcome back, Korean, step by step. In this lesson, we'll cover passives. Passive expressions show that the subject receives or undergoes an action. Use suffixes I, he, re, ji, D pattern, a, e, o, jida, or doda, bada, 당하다 for Sino-Korean nouns. This word means the door got closed by the wind. Listen.
문이 바람에 닫혔어요.
This word means the sound of a bell was heard from far away. Listen.
멀리서 종소리가 들렸어요.
This word means the thief was caught by the police. Listen.
도둑이 경찰에게 잡혔어요.
가발레이자 expresses that something becomes a certain state, often on its own. This word means the writing doesn't come out well. The pen won't write. Listen.
글씨가 잘 안 써져요.
This word means the appointment was suddenly cancelled, so I had free time. Listen.
약속이 갑자기 취소돼서 시간이 비었어요.
Adding a ejida to an already passive verb is non-standard use. Double passives are a common advanced mistake. This word means that song is now almost forgotten. Listen.
그 노래는 이제 거의 잊혔어요.
Dollar is neutral. Bada is for both good and bad, and danhada is for negative things one suffers. This word means he's a person loved by everyone. Listen.
그는 모두에게 사랑받는 사람이에요.
This word means that company suffered a big loss. Listen.
그 회사는 큰 손해를 입었어요.
This word means my friend got scammed and is upset. Listen.
친구가 사기를 당해서 속상해해요.
Here's a summary table. Let's read the examples.
보다 시 듣다 히어 잡다 캐치 열다 오펀 해결하다 사이브 거절하다 리젝트.
Causative and passive forms share suffixes. Tell them apart by whether the subject causes causative or undergoes passive the action. Now, let's practice. Read these out loud before I do.
문이 바람에 닫혔어요. 멀리서 종소리가 들렸어요. 도둑이 경찰에게 잡혔어요. 글씨가 잘 안 써져요. 약속이 갑자기 취소돼서 시간이 비었어요.
Great job. Try them again on your own. Let's recap what we covered today. Suffix passives. Passive with a ujida. Avoid double passives. Sino-Korean passives. Great work. Practice passives with native audio and quizzes at korean.mycorepic.com. If this helped, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next lesson.